the Cisco Unified Edge modular data center solution that converges compute, networking, and security all into a single system that makes it very powerful for key industries such as retail, industrial, and healthcare. This experience has been created for use by Cisco in conjunction with Cisco to help your buyers engage, whether they're with you at an event or you're in sales discussion with them or they're exploring independently on the website. I'm going to take you through a very quick walkthrough to show you what can be explored and learned here. So if I dive into the retail operations, there are a variety of business outcomes that come up on the right-hand side, and I can explore further based upon my area of interest. So for the retail environment, I can learn about how AI inferencing can improve my customer experience and increase sales. So I want to dive more into intelligent shelf management and understand more about what that looks like. So it helps me monitor stock levels at the edge. I can then progress at the bottom here through the linear button that also continues to take me further into those business outcomes where I learn more about how it can benefit my retail operations. It's a similar layout for the industrial vertical, as well as patient care with industry-specific outcomes here on the right-hand side that I can dive into and learn more about. At any point, I can go into the actual Cisco UCS technology, where this experience takes me further into a more technical area, but at the same time, very value-driven. So even as I'm looking at the modular platform here, I'm seeing that I can deploy it anywhere, I can scale it without complexity, I can accelerate AI outcomes, and I can operate at a global scale using this technology. As I hover over hotspots, you'll see a variety of options that appear, also giving me the ability to dive in. But I know that I would like to explore further about how I can scale without complexity. As I select that, specific hotspots come up, and I can jump in to learn more about that. So in this case, I'm learning more about the integrated high-speed Ethernet comes with this platform. I can also move around the experience and learn about the technology, all within the space of scaling without complexity and what the options look like for that. Also, I can navigate via features, which again takes me more technically deeper into this, so that if I know something specific that I want to look for, I can dive into those technical details. So for instance, flexible mounting options might be of interest to me, and I can jump in here and see some visuals that support that, as well as looking at it here from a more operational perspective with these hotspots. And there's also the media library at the top, which provides even more information, supplemental information that can be shared with the customer or that I could explore on my own as one of your customers. And then I can go back to the whole experience at the top here, getting out of healthcare, back to the beginning. As I mentioned, this can be used at events. It can be used on Cisco.com. It can be used in sales conversations. And up here at the top, we have a share icon that has a variety of features that can benefit all of these use cases for you. For instance, from a sales perspective, you can copy a link directly to the tour or to a section of the tour here and use it in securing a meeting or as a follow-up to a meeting. You could also share it in a meeting, as I'm doing right now. At events, you have the ability to scan the QR code where customers can take this experience away with them and look at it later after the event. I can also easily embed it on a page on Cisco.com by grabbing the embed code here and do an iframe embed. I can share it in social channels, and I can also download this for offline use. So thank you for watching this overview of the Cisco Unified Edge Interactive Experience. If you would like to learn more, please do reach out.